A Type A chicken cage renovation H-type chicken cage construction site. Increase the number of chickens and fans. The renovation situation inside the chicken coop. This is the horizontal fecal discharge system and fecal cleaning system. Feces are transported here. Covering curtains to prevent chicken feathers from flying randomly. The integral molding used for the scraping board. The motor is packaged with pure copper wire. All assembly screws are made of stainless steel screws. This is the result of the equipment being installed with good flatness.